If you have ever tried transferring files from an iPhone to a Windows PC, you know it's nowhere as simple as AirDrop. But there's a free app that makes it ridiculously easy, and it works wirelessly. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer data like photos, videos, and files from your iPhone to a Windows PC and from your Windows PC back to your iPhone in just a few taps. I'll be using the iPhone 17 Pro Max and a Windows 11 home laptop for this demonstration, but the process works with almost any iPhone and Windows PC. First, download an app called LocalSend on both your iPhone and your Windows PC. It's a free app. For the iPhone, it's available on the App Store, and for Windows, you can get it from the official website. Once installed, make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now open LocalSend on your iPhone and your Windows PC. On your iPhone, tap Send. Choose Media or Files and select whatever you want to transfer. Your Windows PC will appear in the list of nearby devices. Tap on it, accept the transfer on your PC, and that's it. The files start transferring instantly and the speed is surprisingly fast. Whether it's photos, videos, or large documents, the process feels as seamless as AirDrop. Sending files the other way is just as easy. Open LocalSend on your Windows PC, select the files you want to send, choose your iPhone from the available devices, and accept the transfer on your phone. And that's probably the easiest way to share files between an iPhone and a Windows PC, completely wirelessly and for free. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe to Gizmo Rush for more tech tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.